Tobacco cupboard or humidor. A humidor is a humidity-controlled box or room used primarily for storing cigars, cigarettes, cannabis, or pipe tobacco. Cigar cutter. A cigar cutter is a mechanical device designed to cut one end of a cigar so that it may be properly smoked. Ashtray. An ashtray is a receptacle for ash from cigarettes, cigar, and other smokable products. Rimmer. Ang rimmer is mao ni siya tool sa bar nga pang-garnish, gamit ni siya para ang tip sa glass kay mapalibutan og salt or sugar. Champagne stopper. Ang champagne stopper is usually made of rubber or plastic and commonly used to reseal the open bottles. Use ni siya para masil ang champagne and ma-preserve ang bottles or any sparkling wine. Funnel and strainer. The use of funnel is para ang drinks is mabutang sa butanganan nga walay waste or dili mausik, and with the use of the strainer para ma-remove the solid particles nga nasagol sa drinks.
The bar mat is a rubber mat on which glasses are placed during the preparation of the drinks. Glass washing machine. Fragile items like glasses should typically be reserved for the top racks of any dishwasher. One of the most important components of underbar is a bar sink. Usually a stainless steel sink where your bartender or barmaid can pour out excess beverages, wash and cleans glasses, and rinse blender units. A swizzle stick is a small stick used to stir drinks. Spirits dispense or liquor dispenser are designed to specifically pour a pre-configured amount in a glass, no more or no less. Straws in bartending. It is intended for the slush, drinks, and milkshakes.
Tongs is a kitchen utensil used to grip, lift, or flip objects. Kasagaran ni siyang gamiton for cooking or serving food. Then, naani siya lain-lain nga sizes and materials like metal, plastic, or silicone. Ice crusher is used to crush ice into smaller pieces or flakes. This is typically used for making cocktails, smoothies, or other cold beverages. An ice cube making machine is a device that automatically produces ice cubes by freezing water. Makita ni nato siya usually in commercial settings or built into some home refrigerators. An ice scoop is a small handheld tool used to transfer ice cubes or crushed ice from an ice container to a glass or other container. This is often used in bars or restaurants. Ice box is an insulated containers nga gamiton to store food and beverages at low temperatures. Mao ni siya gamiton sa wala pa na-invent ang modern refrigerator. So kani siya magbutang ka og blocks of ice to keep the contents cool. This is a household appliance that uses a cooling system to maintain a low temperature. So mao ni siya gamiton in preserving food and beverages by slowing down the growth of bacteria. A wine chiller is a device or container designed to cool wine bottles to the optimal serving temperature, either through electronic cooling systems or by using ice and water.
Bar spoon, a long-handled spoon used for mixing and layering in both alcoholic and non-alcoholic mixed drinks. Vegetable knife and chopping board. It will be used for cutting garnishes, lemons and limes, fruits and veggies that end up in a cocktail. Melon baller, used to scoop dough or butter onto cookie sheets, remove seeds from peppers and squashes, and even dole out ice cream. Bench-mounted corkscrew, a tool for drawing corks from wine bottles and other bottles that may be sealed with corks. Muddler, a bartender's tool used like pestle to mash or muddle fruits, herbs, and spices in the bottom of a glass to release their flavor. Wine cradle is a wine holder designed to transport wine as vibration-free as possible without compromising the position, also used for decanting and decorative purposes. Broken cork extractor. This little gadget is excellent for removing old, damaged, crumbling corks from any type of wine bottle.
Distinct type of fusion knife consisting of metal blade with a slot with a sharp edge attached to a handle used to remove the outer layer of some vegetables and fruits. Grater is a kitchen tool which has a rough surface that you use for cutting food into smaller pieces. Fruit squeezer is used for squeezing juice from citrus such as grapefruits, lemons, limes, and orange. Coasters protect the surface of a table or any other surface where a user might place a cup. Bar optics are used to dispense spirits and wine to the desired measure. Wine cooler. Cooling system are specialized air conditioners designed for wine cellars. An ice bucket pail is a container that holds ice cubes or cold water and ice. You can use it to provide ice cubes to put in drinks or to put bottles of wine in and keep the wine cool.
Cocktail stick is a small slender utensils made of wood or plastic. Gamit ni hait ni siya og dumoy, gamit ni siya for skewering and serving garnishes and glass rinser trays. Kini siya most commonly used sa mga bars or restaurants. Gidesign ni siya para dali pag-rinse o cool sa mga glassware such as glasses, glass washers. Machine ni siya gi-design for automated cleaning and sanitation sa glassware such as glasses, cups, ug uban pang drinking vessels. Brushes, gamit ni siya sa lain-lain nga mga purposes pagpanlimpyo. Towels, gamit ni siya para dry off sa basa after manghuna or dishes or surfaces. Gi-design ni siya for different kanang uses. Drying racks, gamit ni siya para pagpauga sa mga various items. Glassware cleaner, substance ni siya or solution gi-design for cleaning sa glassware. Kanang makatabang sa ni siya to remove dirt. Product ni siya or a method that reduces or maka-eliminates sa harmful microorganisms. Bursting, gamit ni siya sa mga tasks related sa pag-prepare ng drinks, washing glasses, o uban pang bar-related activities.
Cocktail shaker is a device used to make beverages, usually alcoholic, by shaking. When the ice is put in the shaker, this allows for a quicker cooling of the drink before serving. Cocktail strainer, also known as bar strainer, typically used after a drink has been shaken or stirred to remove the ice, fruit, or other solids that should find their way into the resulting cocktail. Waiter's friend or corkscrew, also called a sommelier knife or wine key, is a corkscrew in a folding body in the same way as a classic pocket knife. T-shaped wooden screw. Mostly, the bottle is held within the grip of two knees. Forcibly, the cork is dragged upwards with a loud pop. Bottle opener, used for the removal of metal bottle caps from the glass bottle. Jigger, it is used to measure the amount of liquor.
The beer mug. Oh, I like to see this one. This is a beer mug. It is a sturdy mug used for cold beers. The next one, guys, that we're gonna find is the brand snifter. So here's the example of brand snifter that is used for Trill's brandy aroma of the drink. Here. So beside in a brandy snifter, we're gonna find the hurricane glass. So here it is, the form of hurricane glass, an example. This glass is a curved glass for tropical cocktails. So here we can see the margaritas glass. So as you can see, it is a margarita glass that is wide rim, perfect for margaritas. In the lower part, guys, so we can see this highball glass. So this highball glass used for mixing drinks. So here's the part where you can see the different kinds of glasses. So here is the glass left, the highball glass, the margaritas glass, the cordial glass.
Irish coffee glass is an ideal glass for preparing Irish coffees. Next is the martini glass or cocktail glass. The use is a martini glass to serve these strained cocktails in a martini glass. Next is the old-fashioned glass, which uses for serving spirits such as whiskey. Next is the Pilsner glass. So the uses of it is 8 beers including pale, lager, or Pilsner. Next is the pitcher uses of it. The use of it is a vessel for drinks or where you can store the drinks to transfer it to a glass. Next is shot glass. It is used to measure a liquor